Today we will be discussing what you receive when you get a SaeboGlove. The SaeboGlove was originally designed to help someone regain functional use of their affected hand and limb. Whether you or your loved one have a neurological or orthopedic issue, mild spasticity or no spasticity, this device will work for you. If you're ready to start using your hand again, let's discuss what's in the box and how to use it. To open the box, pull out the tab and lift up on the top. Immediately inside the box, you will see cleaning instructions, tensioner instructions, a detailed picture of the SaeboGlove, and a quick fitting guide to get you started. You will also see frequently asked questions and a detailed SaeboGlove manual for more of your questions and answers. Here we have the SaeboGlove folded up. We have a thumb strap and instructions on how to use it if you need it. We have a storage bag to store the SaeboGlove when you're not using it. We also have included fine motor cubes and an exercise ball to get you started on exercising. Last but not least, we have our tensioner case. Inside the tensioner case, you're going to find 5 different sizes of tensioners, A through E. We've made it convenient by putting a diagram on the bottom with suggested size tensioners for your specific size of SaeboGlove. To begin using your SaeboGlove, undo the forearm strap and the hand strap and allow the fingers to lay out. To adjust your forearm and hand strap, just undo the Velcro, slide the fabric, and reattach the Velcro. If you notice on the top of the fingers, you will see hooks. Those are for attaching the tensioners. You also have all the mounting hooks on the plastic durable splint. The splint is made of 2 parts. You have the fabric of the glove and the splint. They are held together by Velcro. You can hand wash or sanitize the fabric, and you can wipe any type of material on the plastic. This is what the SaeboGlove looks like when it's on. The tensioners create resistance when I close my fingers, but then help me open my fingers when I want them to. Thank you for watching the SaeboGlove unboxing video. We hope that your SaeboGlove takes your recovery to a whole new level. For more information on the SaeboGlove and any of our other innovative devices, please visit our website at www.saebo.com. And remember, when it comes to your recovery, there is no plateau in sight.